They invited me in to come start teaching the wrestlers about what I knew about concussions and CTE.
There were a couple of in-ring moves that we stopped doing. We stopped hitting each other over the head with folding chairs.
I have to admit, initially I was pissed. Like, how are you going to take away the chair shot? It's a staple of our industry.
Heads up, heads up!
I'm an old school guy. We use chairs to help tell our stories. Vince made a call. Now there's no more chair shots to the head. I get it.